Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Here in this video, we will share the details for the Battle Aces duplicate product code error. Picture this. You've received your beta key, and you're ready to take flight in the Battle Aces universe. However, upon entering the code, you're met with a disheartening message. Duplicate product code. The product code you've entered has already been activated by an existing Steam account and is therefore invalid. Your activation of Battle Aces beta has not been completed. Despite what the message suggests, this issue isn't a case of double dipping. Often, this error message is the result of being handed an invalid code or due to a bug that falsely recognizes the code as already used. But fear not, fellow pilot. This problem can be solved. First, we recommend a good old-fashioned restart of your device. Sometimes a fresh start will clear up any hiccups and allow the code to work as intended. If the problem persists, it's time to consider the possibility that you've received an invalid product code. Before you take any further steps, check your email. There's a chance a new code has already been dispatched. If your inbox is empty, it's time to reach out to support. Send an email to support@uncappedgames.com and explain your predicament, requesting a new product code. In summary, the duplicate product code error is a common issue that arises due to an invalid code or a bug. The solutions range from a simple restart of your device to reaching out to support for a new product code. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.